Hi everyone, today we are here in Queen Creek, Arizona checking out the Emerald Collection at Empire Pointe by Mattamy Homes.
So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan.
And I'm Lindsay Bingham.
And we specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix metro area. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. We would love to help you. Our contact number is right here on the bottom of the screen. Give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever is easier for you. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. Real quick, before we start the tour, I want to go over the HOA. The HOA fee out here is $169 a month. And Josh, what does that get us? Well, I'm glad you asked. For the $169 a month, you get all of it. This amenity center is loaded with a sparkling resort-style pool, a fitness center. You also get the Paul Parks and the shaded play park. Also, there are game lawns. And you also get the poolside open air pavilion, pickleball courts, outdoor cooking, also a gathering room, and basketball.
All right, we are looking at the Kelly model. This is at the Emerald Collection at Empire Pointe by Mattamy Homes. This Kelly model is 4 bedrooms plus a flex space, 3.5 baths with a 3-car garage. It is 2,961 square feet and starting price on this one is $657,490. So let me just pan so you can see the sides here. It is rare, it feels like lately, to see a 3-car garage where you have all 3 bays. I feel like we see a lot of 3-car tandems, so it's kind of nice to see a 3-car garage separated like that. But let's head on in, and the door magically opens.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. So first, when we walk in, immediately to the right, we've got 2 of our bedrooms here. Let's check out this closet before we go into bedroom number 2, or bedroom number 1 rather. Got your linen closet. And we go into bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom here. They've got what feels like a queen size bed and 2 good sized nightstands, and you still have room on either side to spare, and you've got room for a nice good sized dresser as well. Now we've got a walk-in closet. Nice good sized walk-in closet here with a lot of long hang space. And then we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which we haven't seen one of these yet at the Mattamy models, so it's nice to see these. Got your double bowl sink. I like this little guy. This is cool.
Yeah.
And then we have our toilet and a shower. Like the little transom window there to let the natural light in. And you do have a door, it's not here, but you would have a door separating these. Let's head on into bedroom number 2. Again, same size as the other one, although this one feels a little darker because you just have the single window instead of the double. Let's head on in and look at the closet. Again, good size walk-in closet here. All right, and then another closet here. Got your coat closet. All right, and then back down, nice wide hallway here. Like to see this. Yeah, it's very echoey, and you've got the tray ceiling up there. Nice little added touch. And then on our right, we have the flex space. Really like how they built this out with all of the added built-ins and the beverage fridge. That's nice. They've got this modeled as like a little game room area. All right, then on our left, we're gonna head to the second wing of the house. You've got your hall bathroom here, your little half bath. Again, really nice to see a vanity instead of a pedestal sink.
Yep.
We've got the door to the garage. Like that they added the drop zone here with the shelves. Normally, again, this is just gonna be open drywall space there. And we've got our laundry room, which we will come through in a second, but that's actually headed right into your master closet. So pretty cool that they added that door. And then you have all of this added folding space here with the added cabinets and upper space. Now we've got bedroom number 3. They're modeling it as a gym, but this one has an ensuite bathroom. It's nice. Like the added window here to get all that natural light in. Hi everyone. And then this one has a walk-in closet as well with a very loud network thing going on there. All right. Now, I'm gonna pause here because there's a entry point into your kitchen, but I'm gonna come around from the other side. What's really cool is you have this entry point from your kitchen directly from your garage. Yep. So you can walk in with your groceries, go directly in. You don't have to have like the circuitous route walking around your home to get to your kitchen. All right, love the size of this living space. This is a huge, huge great room here. Really feel the space here. Again, this one is 2961 square feet, and you really feel it when you're in this space with how big it is. And I love all the windows here. There's so much natural light coming through this house. It's really, really nice to see. All right, taking a look at the kitchen. See, they went with the gourmet option here again. So you've got your double wall oven, microwave there, drop-in range over there, and then your side-by-side fridge. But love all the cabinet space and that they have drawers as well as cabinets. Got your divided sink here and your dishwasher, and then coming around, you've got your pantry. Nice, good size walk-in pantry. What would have been really cool is if, I know the laundry room is on the other side, but if there was a way that they would have just had one more little counter space and you could have had like beverage station, a little coffee station, yeah, and created a little butler's pantry. That would have been nice to see.
I'm sure you could do that because wasn't there a countertop on this side?
There was countertop and stuff on that side, so you could just bust through and flip it if you wanted to. But then you're stealing space from your laundry room, and that's my favorite room. So I shouldn't say it's my favorite room. The kitchen is my favorite room, but I'm very practical when it comes to a laundry room, how much space you need. So, because we all have to do laundry. All right, let's head into the master here. So once again, I have to gripe a little bit because right from your kitchen here, and Josh is peering in, so right from your kitchen, you've got the door into your master bedroom, and there's really no privacy. You're never gonna not have this door closed. So we've seen this on a lot of the Mattamy models that they just don't really have a way of doing the floor plan where the door isn't boom smack dab right out in the middle of everything. But that would be my biggest gripe with these models, is just that you have no privacy for your master bedroom. And really, from a sound perspective too, if somebody is making a bunch of noise in the kitchen, or you've got people sitting here at the kitchen table, like, your bed's not really far away. So just something to think about from a sound perspective. You don't have all the privacy that you'd necessarily want in this model here. All right, so taking a look here, we've got a lot of space here in this room. So I could do a cartwheel. I'm not gonna, but I could totally do a cartwheel or break dance here with a must
I
fit.
don't think you can.
Don't tempt me. I also really like how they separated the 3 windows there and did triple windows versus just your standard like double. It's a nice little touch to have that, and brings in more natural light, which is great. And then they did a little tray ceiling up here as well. All right, now heading into the bathroom here. Let me know in the comments what you think. Again, to have a window here separating the 2 sink bowls, it brings in light, which is nice, but does it chop things up to where it kind of divides, breaks up the space too much, I guess. So let me know what you think.
I think it gives it this fine space of don't bring your stuff over to my section.
That's it. It is. It's like drawing a line in the sand.
And
so
somehow
it still migrates over.
Yes.
Still migrates over. All right. So we got our toilet closet over here on the left. What do I want to say? Long spa style shower here. And I love, again, we've seen this in some of the other models that they've had, but love how they do this built-in double shower niche. Or actually I should say it's a triple, because you've got your 1 shelf here, there we go, and then 2 and then 3. So very, very cool. And then you still get the niche over there in the corner as well. And love that they took the tile up to the ceiling on this one, and you've got your rain style shower head. All right, so let's check out this master closet. Good amount of long hang space and double hang. This one gets Lindsay approval right there. Good amount of space. You do lose some space though, because you have the door here, so you probably would have been able to have another hanging space, but it is cool to be able to go right into the laundry. I would totally take this option if provided. So, all right, anything you want to add?
No, it's just gonna be a sarcastic comment, so I'll just leave that for later.
Oh, okay. You always feel free to add. I love when you add your own personal touches.
Yep.
So, all right. So let's head out into the backyard. I didn't mention before is I love to see this big round kitchen table here. Big enough to hold a 90-inch round and have a table for 8. So I love round tables.
But I'm gonna knock this section for having a second set of sliders.
Yes, because what ends up happening, you'll see it on the outside, but when you have the added slider here, you lose the ability to put a television outside. So if you really wanted to, I guess you could wall that off and get rid of it. But yeah.
But also it's the model. So like some of the specs might not have this option, or if you're obviously built from scratch, then
you might be able to remove it. Yep, absolutely. So nice big covered patio here. I know it's the model, but I really like what they did out here with the barbecue and the fire pit. Very cool. But this one, definitely, so we're in the Emerald collection.
Yes.
You can tell that the lots have gotten even bigger, even deeper on this one. And wider. So you've got room to put a pool and still have room to play around in the backyard.
Since you like my commentary, I'm just going to say it.
Yeah.
I noticed you said barbecue instead of grill. Let us know in the comments below. Is that a grill or is it a barbecue? Because to me, barbecue is a type of food and meat, not what you cook on. Let us know in the comments.
I don't know what to say. Okay, so again, this is the Kelly model. Let's take a look at the back of it. Nice view from the back. She's got a good looking back. All right, and this one, Josh, what was the starting price on this one?
$657,490.
$657,490 4 bedrooms plus a flex space, 3 bathrooms. Let us know in the comments, would this be a model that would work for you? And we will see you at the next one.